Hi, I'm Amanda Sutherland, and today I'm sharing how to use contrast to make your brand stand out and capture attention. Contrast is a powerful design principle that highlights key elements, making your brand memorable. Start with colors. Pair light and dark tones to create visual impact. Think bold backgrounds with bright fonts or vice versa. Use contrast in typography. Combine bold headers with simple, clean text to make important information pop. Contrast isn't just about colors and fonts. Think about contrasting shapes, sizes, and even messaging in your visuals. Look at brands like Apple, where sleek, minimal designs contrast with bold product images, making their marketing iconic. High contrast helps guide the viewer's eye to where you want them to focus, whether it's your call to action or a key message. Be careful not to overdo it. Balance is key. Too much contrast can overwhelm, so make sure your designs still feel cohesive. Want to learn more about using contrast in branding? Download my free guide on enhancing visual appeal for your business. Thanks for watching. I'm here to help you make your brand stand out with smart design choices that drive attention.